Okay, the last one. I know there were 7 questions on the assignment, but I picked 5 of them to do videos on. The remaining 2 were overall well done, so I picked the 5 that were not as well done. So for this one, what payments must be made at the end of each quarter to an RRSP earning 7.5% compounded annually so that its value 13 and a half years from now will be $15,000? So again, you don't round till the end and then you round to 2 decimal places. So I wrote out all my fields here. What payments? So I already know I need to calculate my payment. What payment must be made at the end of each quarter? So the payments are at the end of a quarter, so there's 4 payments. To an RRSP earning 7.5%, interest per year, 7.5, compounded annually, so compoundings per year is 1, so in this case our payment per year and our compounding per year is different. Compounded annually so that its value 13 and a half years from now, so N is 13 and a half years times 4 payments a year, so it's 54. So its value 13 and a half years from now will be 15,000. So its value in the future value 15,000. So you enter all these variables, you compute payment, and it comes up. I should have put my negative in here, but it's the payment because this is the money that you're paying out. The payment is $165.39. Again, it is possible to do with a formula, but I recommend this is much simpler, doing it through your financial calculator. I can't stress enough. I know I say it every question we do. I repeat myself and I say use your calculator. But every year that I teach this course, it's the same thing. I stress over and over again, but people are comfortable with formulas and they think I can do it with formula. And then they get to the exam and they bomb because there's not enough time. So I will stress it again. Use your calculator. Become familiar with it.